affiliate program, they're going to get access to an affiliate dashboard. It will look something like this. This is customizable, so you can tweak it to your own website's look and feel as you would like. Put in your logo, your company colors, write your own welcome message. This is what we're going to give your affiliates when they do get signed up for your affiliate program. So you can see, first and foremost, front and center, what we got is a unique referral link. This is that classic affiliate link that they can copy and paste anywhere that they have access to online. So this could be a website, blog, email newsletter, social media channel. They will get credit for anyone who clicks through this link and ends up on your website. You will get the referral. You'll also get SEO credit for this as an inbound link because it is a direct link to your site. So a nice side benefit of running an affiliate program through LeadDyno. Sharing, pretty easy for them. They can hit the big copy button here and then paste it, as I mentioned, anywhere they would like. We also have social media shortcuts. So these are some of our most popular features here because these make sharing even easier for affiliates. So for example, sharing on Facebook, as easy as hitting the Facebook button. What it does is it logs in the affiliate who shared it on the Facebook. It tees up a post. With an additional click, the affiliate can share this on their Facebook feed. Their friends and followers will in turn see this post come through their respective Facebook feeds. As they click through or tap through, credit's going to go to the affiliate who shared it. Same idea on Twitter. So pretty easy to share on Twitter. Just hit that tweet button, logs us in, tees up a tweet, and again, same idea. The affiliate who tweets this out will get credit for any of their followers who click through here. We also have Instagram sharing available. We also have text message sharing now available as well. You'll see that announced in a newsletter coming up this week. Easiest way to get a hold of Instagram and our text message sharing is going to be using our mobile apps. These are available for both Android and for iPhone devices. The way that these work is that your affiliates will be able to download the affiliate dashboard app to their phones. They will input their email address. We will recognize them as a member of your affiliate program, and they will then get your dashboard directly on their phones. They can do the Instagram sharing, they can do the text message sharing, they can do all of the social media sharing from that device. All right, progress updated in real time. So number of visitors, leads, purchases that each affiliate has credit for. They can essentially track their own sales funnel. And then in terms of seeing commissions, they can see what they've got earned so far, what's coming up, and what's been paid out to date. Let's talk about commissions, and then I'll show you a few more things on the affiliate dashboard. So I do get questions from folks wondering what they should pay in terms of commissions, what would be competitive. Let me send you a link of a study that we did looking at the top 10 programs in each of the 21 product categories in our affiliate network. So basically the top 210 affiliate programs. If you're looking to see what competitive affiliate programs are currently offering, here's a good list, and this might be helpful for you in terms of gauging what you'd like to pay in terms of percentages. If you want to further offer a nuanced program, LeadDyno does support a variety of commission plans, so we can do recurring commissions, we can do multi-level per product commissions are even supported for Shopify and BigCommerce folks. So let us know if you have any questions on that. We can help you with the actual setup of your affiliate program in the LeadDyno system. Running through a few more features here on the dashboard. Our marketing materials section has things such as banner ads, infographics, so that your affiliates can copy and paste these and put them on their own websites, on their own blogs. They'll get credit for anyone who clicks through these banners and ends up on their site. Same idea with really any of these banners, any infographics you want to make available, you can pop in here. Newsletters, we have an archive of affiliate newsletters here. This is one that I sent out at the end of January to our affiliates, so I'll have another one upcoming. I usually send these every month or two out to our affiliates to let them know that commission payments are heading out the door, letting them know that if we've got something new on the social media sharing side, let them know what we've got cooking on our side, remind them they can get back to their affiliate dashboard, that they can do the sharing from there. These newsletters, by the way, now can be sent through partner products as well. HubSpot, Aweber, MailChimp is coming soon. So if you're interested in sending this out from an email newsletter system that you have, that will be possible soon. And then finally, we have an affiliate analytics tab. This is exciting for folks, especially those power user affiliates who may be sending in a lot of traffic. This was actually a popular request from the heavy hitters, the folks who wanted to see the breakdown of their traffic. So we've got this available now if you'd like to engage them and help them see where specifically their traffic that they're sending to you is coming from. All right, moving on, let's get over to LeadDyno. I will take you through our content section, a few of our key tools, and then questions, one-on-one phone calls, anything that you would like to cover from there. So our content section is where we customize the affiliate website. So you see this blue button front and center. And when you have some time, you can step through this and the settings that are up top. So everything throughout the header, introduction, instructions, all customizable here, so you can insert images and links as you would like. You can embed HTML directly. You can just update the text that we have here. We can further style it using custom CSS if you want. Your affiliates can opt into something like a terms of service agreement if you would like. That's available right here. Everything throughout, again, all customizable here. We also, in the content section, have our social media shares. So the Facebook post that I showed you, this is where that pulls from. So from the content section, Facebook post, this is what we're looking at when we hit the Facebook button. Same idea on Twitter. So to share a tweet, this is where that tweet is going to pull from. You know, my experience on the social media side of things, I find that if we can pre-write this stuff for our affiliates, they're much more likely to share. It only takes you and I a few minutes, but helping our affiliate influencer partners get over any potential writer's block that they have, it's a big win, and I'm convinced, I know our affiliates share a lot more than they otherwise would, thanks to us having this available. So I would encourage you to think about doing the same on your end. Just kind of update this stuff initially. And then I think if you can do it every so often, it's a real nice habit to get into. And it helps you reward your affiliates who are frequently sharing your link out there. All right, let's talk a few of our key tools, and then we'll do affiliate recruitment. And then, again, we'll kind of open things up. So the affiliate newsletter, you can compose this from within LeadDyno. So this is where you can write it up. And I mentioned I do like to time it with affiliate commissions. I find that's always a good way to get everyone's attention. So basically compose it here. You can preview it and then send it out. Or again, you can use our HubSpot, Aweber, or MailChimp integration will be coming soon as well. We also have automated emails that are available to tee up to send to your affiliates. And these are nice, near and dear to my heart, because they do go out automatically from the system. So not much you need to do beyond enabling these emails. Tee them up, make any edits that you would like, sign your name to it, and then they'll fire off. So for example, when you get a new affiliate, we've got a welcome email like this one here, which has their affiliate link, the link to their affiliate dashboard, so everything that they need to get up and running. We can let folks know how they did for the week, so the number of visitors, leads, purchases that they got credit for. We can even let them know every time they get credit for a new lead or a new purchase here. Forgot to mention on the affiliate newsletter side, if you're stumped looking for ideas on something to write, actually I have my swipe file uploaded now here. So you can just simply select a template. If you're looking for a monthly update, I've got my monthly update template here under our program update. Literally fills in what I send to our affiliates, so you can make any edits to it that you would like, sign your name to it, and then off and running. I don't mind at all. So if this is something that would be helpful for you to leverage, please by all means do that. Okay, affiliate invitation email. So we'll move on to affiliate recruitment. We're going to talk about the organic approach first in terms of turning your new customers into new affiliates. So the affiliate dashboard, if someone is not yet an affiliate of yours, they are taken to this opt-in page where we can get them to sign up for your affiliate program. So this is a nice little page to have available. You can link to this page from any email communications that you send out to your affiliates. You can link to it from your website, send folks there from your social media channels. And again, what we're doing here is we're encouraging folks to sign up for your program. We're following that up here with our affiliate invitation email. This is going out to new customers as they buy from you and inviting them to join your program. And I think you'll find this is a real nice way just to grow that program organically over time. And again, without having to think too hard about it. You're going to be turning those new customers into new affiliates of yours kind of as you go, picking up a few affiliates overnight and just continually growing your program. And then we also have an affiliate network, and this is particularly exciting because we've got affiliates and influencers who are looking for products like yours to promote, looking to do it on a commission-only basis, familiar with LeadDyno, familiar with our network, so really looking for opportunity that if we can put your program in front of them, that's a real nice opportunity for exposure. In order to do that, all you do is hit the network tab in the lower left corner. This will redirect you over to ecommerceaffiliates.com. This is our affiliate network for affiliates and influencers who specialize in promoting e-commerce types of products. From here, we'll get you featured and we will get you listed in our directory. So we'll talk about your product. We will talk about your affiliate program. Affiliates can apply with a single click. And if you've got auto access on, they'll be able to get immediate access to join your affiliate program here as well. See, pretty easy to join. You just kind of double click on the apply button. We do newsletters out. These go out actually 5 times a week featuring no, I don't need the scanner update. These are featuring products in each particular category. So this is our newsletter that actually went out this morning, featuring 5 home products, 5 types of affiliate programs in this industry here as well. All right, and then for additional support questions, so I promised one-on-one phone calls. If you're interested in setting up a one-on-one follow-up, here is that link to book a time with our affiliate program setup expert, Adam or Lisa, who can talk to you about the ins and outs of successful launching a successful affiliate program. Contact info, phone, email, live chat, available 7 days a week. Live chat's actually going 24 hours a day now during the work week as well, so lots of opportunities to get a hold of us. If you have anything for me, Brett@LeadDyno.com goes back to me. I'd especially like to help get you featured into that network. So if you have anything about the affiliate network, I can work with you on that as well. But you're welcome to reach out anything that you'd like to circle back on that we covered today. I'm more than happy to do so. Otherwise, I thank you for joining. So it looks like we're good on questions. So hope it was helpful. Stay in touch. Let us know how we can help with your affiliate program launch. And we will get an email with a recording of this out to you as well. So thanks again for joining. Have a great rest of your week and hope to talk to you soon.